Let's make this fidget toy today. For this one, you need 5 beads. I'm using pony beads and just acrylic yarn. My yarn calls for 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. However, I will be using a 4 millimeter crochet hook because first my stitches are a little bit loose, and then second we want the stitches to be a little bit tighter. So I'm going almost a size and a half down, if we can say that. All right. So I picked a contrast color for my yarn and beads. So some neon beads here. We're gonna string them on our string, on our yarn, and we'll tie them really tight. Not that tight, but tight enough, since we need some space to work between them. So we just tie it nicely. Okay, maybe we need one more knot, and that knot will be hidden anyway, so it's not crucial there. So I'll go ahead and the tail I'll try to hide, and since we're gonna be crocheting over it, it's gonna be really secure there. I'll cut away the tail because it's already frayed. We don't need it there. And this will go in my scraps jar. There. So we can start now. Go through that little space so you can prepare your loop. And then chain 10. This chain 10, actually, you know what? I think that's pretty fluffy here. And I will go a size smaller, I think 3.5 actually. Yeah, I did not like the fluffiness of this hook, so I'll go with half a size smaller, 3.5 millimeters, so I can make those stitches a little bit tighter. Yeah, definitely I like this one better. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And of course, from yarn to yarn, this can change. Like for this yarn, it worked but for this yarn, it's a little bit more fluffier, so 3.5 will be okay. Let's see. This is a loop big enough to put maybe a keychain or a key ring there, or you just want to keep it as a loop. So we do a single crochet in that first space again, so we can make a loop for our keychain, and then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a single crochet between the beads. All right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then single crochet between the beads. And then we'll go all around the 5 beads, and I'll speed up here. Okay, here we are at the last one, and I will go in that last space. It's a little bit a tight spot, but because we have so many stitches there. All right, so keeping our loop in the back, we will go in each petal, we'll do 5 single crochets. So here we go, the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if your yarn is thicker, 4 single crochets might be enough. Or if your yarn is thinner, maybe you'll need 6 or 7. So we just keep doing single crochets going all around. We'll go in the back, and we'll hide our, just pick a spot, anywhere is fine. Alright, I hope you enjoy making those little fidget toys. They're a great little project to make with kids as well, since it uses only two basic skills to know how to make a chain and single crochet stitches. Smash that like button and I'll catch you in the next one.